Frontier Router Login Guide. Ensure your device, computer, tablet, or smartphone is connected to the router via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. The most common IP addresses for Frontier routers are 192.168.1.1, 192.168.0.1. If neither works, check the back of your router for the default IP address or refer to the router's user manual. Open a web browser and type the router's IP address into the address bar, then press Enter. Example, http://192.168.1.1. By default, the username and password might be username, admin. Password are found on a sticker on the router. After entering the credentials, click Login or Submit. You should now have access to the router's settings dashboard. Look for a reset button on the router. Hold it for 30 seconds to reset to factory settings. After resetting, use the default credentials. Verify the router's IP address using Command Prompt, Windows, or Terminal, Mac Linux. Windows, type ipconfig and look for the default gateway. Mac, type netstat, nr vertical bar grep default.